First at 5, a 16-year-old learns he will not be getting bail after being charged with murder.
Let's do some YN prison math. When a YN catches a case, especially for a serious charge like firearm possession, he usually thinks about one thing: how much time am I facing? But what he's not thinking about is, how much is this about to cost my family, the price of every phone call, the thousands in lawyer fees, and the fact that even when he gets out, the debt does not disappear. So let's find out, how much does it really cost to go to jail? So usually the first bill is lawyer. You gotta get a lawyer. Now, if you're thinking about getting a public defender, think about them just being overworked, underpaid, and handling dozens of cases at once. Now, if you hire a private lawyer, expect to pay between $5,000 and $15,000 for a basic representation. But then if you go beyond that to trial, you could be looking at upwards of $25,000 or more in legal fees. That is more than some people make a year to fight a case. Now, the cost of staying in touch to the outside world is a separate thing. A single phone call can cost you $3 to $6 for a few minutes, and you pay just to connect the call. Then you got to think about commissary, food, hygiene products, and basic needs. They aren't free. If you're lucky, your family will send you between $100 and $300 per month just to keep you comfortable in there. And then you got to think about visitation. If the prison that you are in is far, your family could expect to spend hundreds on gas, hotels, and food just to visit you. And then after you serve your time, whether it be 2.5, 5 years, time goes by, something like that, you gotta go through a background check just to get a job. And guess what? There are fewer opportunities because you have a felony. You have to pay probation fees, which is just a bill every month. And then there's just fines and restitution as well. Just the debt doesn't go away after you get out. One mistake that you make can cost your family tens of thousands of dollars. You know what I mean? Granny gotta put up the house, you know what I mean? Auntie got, they gotta sell they gotta sell things, start selling their jewelry just to try to make sure you okay, you don't get roofed. Prison isn't free, it's really a business, and your family is going to pay for your mistake.